23rd May 2025. I'm Donald Fernandez representing Street Providence, Goa. We are outside Assistencia's office. We have submitted a proposal to the managing committee which will be discussed on 25th, and we have shown interest in working with them, with Assistencia, in case there is an opportunity to use the facilities for women on the street and destitute women. We also have given in the proposal multiple other facilities like food bank, physiotherapy, doctor, counseling, senior citizens programs. So let us wait till their general body meeting happens on 25th. We have also proposed that if we will raise the funds from our side, and we will rent a place from them. We are not looking at owning the place, because all over India we don't own any property. That is our principle. So we are not interested in the property. We will lease it from them or rent it from them at a nominal rate till we are comfortable. I mean, it's a proposal till they are comfortable with us, and if we are comfortable with them. Last about 1 month, a lot of videos have gone around. A lot of not positive energy has been put out by many people, which was not correct. Assistencia is a 1910-year-old society. It's a society. If you go to GPO Panjim, you will see a bust there of Mr. Dias. His bust is in the middle of the road. A very reputed society in the past. We have been associated with Assistencia for almost 3 years. They do a lot of outreach programs quietly. They have been doing this consistently. We also have benefited from their outreach programs. It was very disturbing when people, condemn them. A lot of things were said which should not have been said. But anyway, we waited for the last moment to give our application, because we wanted to be sure that whether Mother Teresa is actually coming back. We didn't want to be there if Mother Teresa was coming back. So according to our sources, at the moment, Mother Teresa will not be coming back. So that's why we have come at the last hour to hand over our application. But in case Mother Teresa does come back in the future, I feel that they also can be accommodated. It's a big place. Without asking my opinion, I will give my opinion that this infrastructure is old. It needs to be pulled down and put up a new structure where you don't have this problem for the next at least 20-50 years. So the infrastructure doing the touch-up work is not going to work, and then these problems will keep coming up again and again. But this is my view, my opinion, because I manage many homes across India, and we see that touching up infrastructure usually does not hold much. Looking at the scenario in Panjim, yes, there are homeless people. There is a need for shelter homes in each cities. We are overloaded at the moment. It should have not reached this level. Both Mother Teresa should also have done some touch-up or some repair work in between. Assistencia also should have seen that the touch-up was done, but that is the past. Let us wait for their annual general body meeting. Let them go through our proposal, let them understand it. We have given both the options to repair and use against the rent, or we rent it from them if they want to repair and give it to us. I hope that there are no more videos circulating, just getting into something which none of us can do. Condemning somebody is not the solution to the problem. Working towards the solution is the solution to the problem. So we are working towards the solution of this problem, that we will manage the home if they give us an opportunity, and let them get back to us.
And Assistencia, did you approach